My panty cannot be more realistic. Oh, I got poop on the nose.
Again. You broke it, you idiot!
Hey, wait for me!
Whee!
We made it! Oh, you dirty little rat! What have you done to me? Oh.
Look at him swim.
They're like machines.
Like, that's what it looks like when he's swimming.
I'm getting too old for this.
You're only 25. And rat years, that's 47.
And at that point, they all ran off. Everything went according to
They all
plan.
ran off like, run away! Run away! Run away!
We'll follow them.
We'll follow them,
fight them.
we'll kill them,
Because
and rape
give the
them.
signal.
In
Tell
that
everyone
order.
to gather right here.
Yes, sir.
I agree wholeheartedly.
Hey, now come on, let me have a go.
He's gonna fail.
Stop it, Smile. It doesn't work like that.
Stop. Epic fail. Again.
Poor little me. What have I done to deserve this? At this rate, I'll end up with no nose at all.
Or getting a massive nosebleed.
Better be careful.
Or have my nose be concave. Next you're gonna be telling me that at some point that the Atlanteans sent the whales to save the people on the Titanic.
Ah, yes.
Hmm.
Smile, you seem to be a brave fellow. Do you want to be part of the action as well?
Of course I do. I've got unfinished business with a certain little kung fu rat, and I'd really like to get even.
Oh, don't harm the Kung Fu Rat, he's my favorite.
Hey, what's with these people?
Ah,
Oh, great. That's the only time it was able to work. You just messed it up. Good going.
Bye.
Now all but that one paw could go through. Urgh. Okay, we kill Smiley. Oh wait, he's right here.
hey, Adi.
Oh, I thought he was gone for good.
Well, the movie's called Tentacles, technically. Or Tentacolino, or whatever it is.
Smile. What a surprise. Hey, how you doing?
How you doing, my homie?
Kiki. Ew!
Ew! Bestiality! Again.
Homosexuality, actually.
My precious!
Yes, he got beakerality. Thank you. I don't like this because I'm from the Bronx.
Children about this. And it's all thanks to this little flask. This is the beginning of worldwide domination.
Indeed!
So wait a minute, didn't they all technically have to drink the oh, I guess it's for the sharks or something.
Yeah. But wait, they can breathe underwater? Or do they need to be immortal?
Immortal, in order to rule the world.
Of course!
Shut up. Go.
The mermen are coming here, and they want to get hold of the flask with the elixir at all costs.
What? Quick, all you rats get
All you rats, get out of here and build the right to my bear lip sync. You're gonna be
Swim
the most,
away! Oh look, Krill!
We agreed.
gonna be the most epic
You
failure
rats
battle
take the
ever.
land, and I'll take the seas and the oceans. And no funny business, right?
Razor teeth. The
Oh, wait,
oceans
I'm
are
not
all
supposed to
yours.
laugh at that
I
part.
can't bear any more of this wet climate. Together we will.
Of course!
Look out! Here comes the enemy.
Wait a minute, who's firing those?
Let's move.
I'm a firing my laser! Pew! Shoot the whoop!
Are you ready to send a message to the Baron?
Yes, whenever you want, sir. We've got a connection.
Good. Then what are you waiting for? Get writing then. To the right, Honorable Baron Vandertilt. The moment has come to use your secret army. whilst offering protection to our
Ow!
friends and
That hurt, motherfucker!
Ow, 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 ow,
Ow, ow, ow, ow, ow,
from an army of
Ow.
mermen and mermaids.
ow.
Dr.
I wonder what,
Howe,
what happens if he makes a typo.
Yours faithfully, Razor Teeth.
Oh, I misspelled razor teeth.
I accidentally called you douche muffin.
What are you rambling on about? Mermen, mermaids, rats from Atlantis? What are you writing about, Jeffrey? Have you been drinking by any chance? Well,
No, your lordship.
I'm having a diabetic attack. Not to mention a heart attack.
all right, never mind. Leave it. At least the request for help is clear. And it's also perfectly clear that the risk of losing the treasure is very high. Give the order to launch the mini-submarine so we can help the rats and sharks in the battle against the mermen and mermaids.
Merman.
Okay,
Jeffrey,
honestly,
the
if
orders
that
must
was
be
like the one
followed
clip
to
you
the
were to
letter.
show to me before we watched this, I would have said, hell fucking no.
If I find out that Razor Teeth has been making fun of me, I'll turn him into cat food, and lots of it.
Truckload worth.
Whoa!
What? No!
A dog riding a sea chariot firing lasers.
Swim! Swim faster!
This isn't going well. Let's go to the back of the group and then we can sneak off. Okay then.
Yeah, at least make it look like you're still swimming. That way you won't raise that much suspicion.
Oh no! Out of the frying pan and into the
Into the fire!
Way to go! That's it, Smile!
This is ridiculous.
Watch what you're doing,
Ugh.
Smile. His Majesty gave the order to be careful and not to...
I'd rather watch it's party time clip 20 times in a row instead of watching him shoot a laser gun.
Well done! We have received the order to look after and to protect your two friends. Attack!
Attack.
Say it with feeling.
Attack!
Attack!
Ow! Oh my god, the pain! Oh, it's worse than my colonoscopy.
You haven't seen The Last of Us.
We still have 3 parts in this movie! Turn into Beavis. Or do you turn into Butthead?
You're gonna get zapped.
In the butt.
Swim faster!
Yeah, faster, faster. Get hit with fire, fire.
Sharks are cool. And Beavis. Those submarines look like barrels.
Yeah, do a barrel.
Shut up, Beavis.
No, you shut up, bunghole.
You shut up. No, you shut up, fart knocker.
Little girl,
Okay.
little one, I appreciate
Whoa,
your effort.
dude.
But
Check
this
out
is
that girl's
no place
boobs.
for someone like you.
Yeah, she's hot. Oh wait,
Tell
it's a
me,
guy. Ew.
what is your name, my child?
I'm called Brumali,
Oh,
Your Majesty, but I'm
Dude,
not
oh
a
my
girl.
god.
Listen to that voice.
You really should gargle with something. You've got an awful voice, sweetie.
I'm Dr. Girlfriend.
For the love of broken
Oh,
bagpipes, I'm
dude,
the commander
that
of the
was
mountain
messed
artillery
up.
troops.
What?
Commander? Oh, no.
Uh,
What I mean to say is it's a lovely disguise.
It's a curse, not a disguise. I'm dolled up like this because I fell into the hands of a little girl who thought she'd put a wig on me when she saw me with this skirt on. You get it? The colors of my glorious Scottish regiment were changed for a frilly girl's skirt. It's awful. I can't
Just
bear
like
it.
this movie. See you in part 8. We're almost done.